So, the reason why I started my Creepy Kitchen series is because kitchens are kind of not aesthetically pleasing. I mean, there's a lot of really nice ones in YouTube channels about cooking and everything like that. I'm not one of those, obviously, but I also still want a very aesthetically pleasing kitchen for myself, and what that means to me is basically I want something that looks like it could belong in a haunted mansion somewhere. Hence most of my home decor is very Gothic inspired, haunted mansion inspired, etc. I want to turn something that's kind of boring into something more Gothic fab, and that is a knife rack. Specifically a magnetic wall knife rack. I grew up with one of these at my mom's house because we love IKEA, and that's where I know that they exist. So I got myself 2 magnetic knife racks from IKEA. Links in the description if you want the same one. This should be a pretty quick craft project. However, I will be using E6000, and that does take some dry time. Usually I like to let it dry for 24 hours. I don't believe that that's the actual dry time on it, but I don't know. Let's get started with my knife rack. Okay, I did it. I separated them from the back of the thing. They are a little bit dented. I think I can fix that with a hammer. And I need to clean them up. I think I can clean them up with alcohol, although honestly just rubbing the E6000 is kind of making it come off. However, there are some chips in the enameling from my vigorousness to get this off the coffin, so I'm gonna have to paint over them too, which is unfortunate. But after I clean these up, what I'm gonna do is attach them to the front, probably spread them out, we'll see. I might keep them the way that they are, I might spread them out. Not as cute as before, but you know, it does the trick. I'm generally pleased with how it came out. Obviously, there are some things I would like to change in the future, using stronger magnets, maybe instead of a pre-made knife rack magnet. And, you know, just generally being more careful and more thought out. Obviously, I had to do some significant changing in the middle of this project, like ripping off already E6000 magnets from the back of the coffin plank to the front, which made them not so pretty. I was also very vigorous in my removal of them from the wood because I used E6000. So, not the prettiest project, but I think it does well since you're covering it up mostly with knives anyway. But other than that, I'm pretty damn happy with this. If I knew how to use resin and woodwork, I would totally start completely from scratch with a piece of wood and then do like a whole like magnetic strip in the middle with like the resin like I've seen some other cool knife racks do. But that's not my skill level right now. Right now it's mostly just E6000ing things and spray painting them. But you know, I do want to learn more in the future. So if you want to learn with me and see me grow and my projects progress, and if you like, you know, Gothic home decor and crafting, then please follow me, then please subscribe. I'm trying to get out a new video every Wednesday, so, you know, your Wednesdays aren't so full of woe, as the old poem goes. My name is Quinn. Thank you so much for watching. This was HalloQueenie. Bye.